I am the Executive Director of Oklahoma Project Woman and am also a breast cancer survivor. When I went through breast cancer 25 years ago, the one thing that I realized is how many people didn't have the luxury of health insurance and had to ultimately figure out how they were going to pay for mammograms and biopsies, even surgeries. And so what our organization means to me is that we have the ability to provide access to that care for so many women in Oklahoma. So the funds that we have received today, thank you very much, we will ultimately use to provide that free breast health care for women right here in Oklahoma County. Our average cost per patient is, we say only $230, but again, it doesn't take much to make a very significant impact because again, we're helping those ladies that have no other access to care, so they don't have health insurance and Medicare or Medicaid, so this is their only option. And we are able to, again, not only provide a mammogram, but also an ultrasound all the way through a mastectomy if necessary. Be strong and to know there are resources out there. Don't delay. And we know how important early detection is. And I personally know I'm actually going through it again right now myself. And feel so blessed though, because I know that because of early detection that I will be here a long time in the future, just like the last time. There's always hope and always options out there for her and men as well. We also help men, but that just to make sure to visit our website and call our office and we can get them taken care of. I think that the one thing that we want to always continue to emphasize is that you are a woman over 40 to please get your mammogram each year. Again, early detection is key and really does make a difference. And if you have a family history, perhaps it's best to talk to a doctor because they might suggest that you get a mammogram earlier.